So your skin fine is just going to show like this. Not everyone know how to use this skin fine properly. Some people don't know how to use the skin fine properly. So now in skin fine here, I don't know if you have skin fine. So if you don't have it, you can request for it. So skin fine here, what you are going to do now is to remove the texture. You can see that it's very smooth. You can see how smooth this is looking. Then this is to rotate the texture. You can see, you take it down, you rotate this texture. You take it down, you remove the texture. Then you take it up, then you retain this texture. You leave the texture the way it is. Now I'm just going to take it down a little to reduce the texture a little. So after doing this, what I'm going to do now is to come here. So you can see the before and after of this photo is to come here. Now let's see this now. So it's to come here. The hue saturation, that's the hue. I'm going to reduce the hue to this part. I'm going to take it to this part a little. This is okay like this. Then my saturation, I'm just going to take it to this part like this. This is cool. So don't adjust it too much. Yes, don't adjust it too much. So now you can see this is cool. So my brightness, I'm going to add a little brightness to the image. Yeah, so this is okay. So then here my shadow, I will add a little shadow to it. This is okay. Then my highlights. If you look at this image is having too much highlight. Due to the light, it's having too much highlight. So I will control my highlight here. I will control my highlight here by reducing it a little. So you can see, so I will control my highlight here. So all I'm going to do is to use the dodger bot to bring the part I want to bring up a little. So I will control my highlight here. You can see, reduce it now. So you can see the difference between these two now. I have controlled the highlight of this image. So you can see, you see the after of this image. This one is looking more okay than this now. So all I'm going to do is to click OK. So I'll click OK and it's going to load for me.